1972 Chevrolet Caprice, four-door hardtop or sport sedan here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Underneath the hood, 402 big block Chevy Power. It's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic, 350 to be exact. We can take a peek at the chrome on the bumper up front, grille. Original paint code on this car, number 50, so sandalwood. If you want to see the still pictures, you can check them out at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on white wall radials, Chevrolet wheel covers. I know it's badged here as a 400, but now it has that big block underneath the hood, power steering, power brakes, AC. Let's take a look down this passenger side. As far as the paint quality on it, it has a nice shine. Don't get me wrong. Is it perfect? No. Does it still have a nice luster to it, as you can see? Absolutely. It just kind of has a, almost like some fish eyes, what have you, in the clear. Kind of want to point that out. But as you can see, you step back, still's got a nice look to it. No major nicks, dings, scratches up and down this passenger side. Fender skirts installed on it. Black vinyl roof in nice shape. And as you can see, the side windows, they are tinted, so know your local and state laws as far as the percentage of window tint that you can have, the darkness. This vehicle actually came to us out of Texas. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can see we do have a little pitting on the rear bumper. Dual exhaust. Tires, date code on them, 2022, so those are not that old. Does have a new battery in it. New brakes on the rear. They're actually 100% at all four corners. New tranny pan gasket. New oil pan gasket and rear main seal. And technician did note the fuel gauge is in op, so you want to pay attention to your miles. Taking her out driving. Let's look down this driver's side, and once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like these big Chevys from this era, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. As you can see, no major dents or scratches on that driver's side. Let's take a little closer look at the interior. Neutral cloth interior. See manual windows. Looks like power locks. Power seat. Bent seat up front. And it is showing some wear on the fabric. Looks like it could be original. Tilt column. Aftermarket stereo has been installed in it. Let's fire this up quick. Again, big block. Power. Fires right up. There's that JVC. More modern stereo system. Looks like Bluetooth capabilities. Top of the dash. Hey, look at that. Not cracked like so many of these you would see around that speaker perforations. How about the headliner? Good. You'll be able to see every angle of that interior, front and rear seats too, in the still pictures. Let's listen. Hey, listen to this. A little rumble coming out of that. Not too bad. Nothing crazy over the top. It's just a nice sounding car. All right, let me pause this real quick. We'll get this hood open. We'll check out that engine bay. Wrap up this walk around video. Stick around to the very end though. Jason's going to take it for a drive as usual. Show you how it goes down the road. All right, under the hood. Hood liner looking good. Here it is. So again, power steering, power brakes, AC, 402, HEI ignition, aluminum radiator, battery disconnect for when it's in between drives or in storage. AC's been converted. Smooth runner, no doubt about that. 1972 Chevy Caprice, 4-door hardtop. Check out all the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Call us 507-386-1726. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available, of course. We can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1972 Chevrolet Caprice. This would be a 4-door automatic on the column for the shifting ease. Our turn signal indicator is working. Plenty of power from this big block. As you can hear, there's a little squeak in the steering wheel sometimes. Blower motor works on high. Down below we have a JVC stereo that is ready for Bluetooth and possibly CD. The FM, I am not getting audio signal from the antenna, which may not be hooked up. Now the actual factory radio still lights up. It has an 8-track player, but I can't vouch for it working. There is a crack on the left side of the windshield. This car handles good road manners. One of those super comfy early 70s cars that you could road trip for days in. Cloth bench seat. The Caprice kind of seemed to spawn from the Impala. If you remember, in the late 70s, they were almost the same car. Brakes are very good. Power brakes, power steering. Corners well for a large car. Easy to steer, easy to drive. And the 4 barrels opening up, you feel it. This is a strong running car. As I was saying, take this on a road trip. 1972 Chevrolet Caprice, 4-door. Take a look at all the pictures over at UniqueClassicCars.com.